Hey guys, it's your girl Lakia Maria and welcome to another video here on the channel. Whether you're new to the channel or an OG, I primarily share planning and organizational videos, and today I'm going to be sharing how I'm setting up my planner for the month of June. So I'm currently using a Happy Planner. This is an undated 4-month planner. I'll have all the details in the description box. I got mine from Hobby Lobby, and thankfully when I purchased it, it was 50% off. So let's go ahead and get to the monthly. So I started off already by writing in the dates. I did buy some stickers, but I didn't feel like putting all the stickers down for each of the days, so I just wrote them in. And my favorite pen of choice is my Sharpie S Gel. And I am going to pull out my sticker books though. The two that I purchased along with this planner was this one from the Paper Studio, which has the months and the days of the week as well as the numbers, and then this Walk by Faith one by Happy Planner, which we're gonna do a little bit of decorating. It'll be fairly minimal. So right now I am looking for the June sticker to put at the top. So there we have it, June. Little star. And then over here I made a very small key. I have bill due, event, and payday. So right now my paydays are all at the end of the week. It's pretty much how it all averages out to, and I'm going to put this in parentheses. And then I'll move up to the events. So my sister's graduation is here. I believe it's the 24th. And then my grandmother is coming to town. Okay, yes, her graduation is here. So I'm just going to put a little star and put her graduation. All right, and then I don't have any more high school graduations to go to until my nephews graduate. How lovely. And then bill due. So I'm gonna do the bill dues like at the top, and then if I have any other events to put in, I'll leave those at the bottom. I am gonna go ahead and put in Juneteenth over here. Alright, so first up at the beginning of the month, I have my accidental insurance due, and then on the 28th, I have my life insurance due. So I'm jumping all over the place, just going off of memory of what I know. That got a little smudge, but who cares? T-Mobile is due on the 11th, as well as an Amex. My boyfriend's Amex is due on the 11th, and I just keep up with everything that we both have going on in this calendar. And then mine is due on the 16th. And then my car insurance, I believe, is the 30th now. So I'm just going to put that there. And then Amazon is the 29th. I also have my check to savings transfer each month. Okay. Let's go back up here. Spotify is over here. And then Canva is here. Maybe I should put the amounts. I'm going to put T-Mobile as 136. Amex fluctuates. Accidental is 753. Canva is 1353. And then Spotify is $10.65. And then Firestone, don't have to worry about that anymore, but I do have Kohl's, and that is $50 that I do every month. And then Peacock, because I have the lovely no commercials, it's split. So Peacock, $5.33, and that's number one. And then the second one is the 26th. So, I'm thinking about like trying to consolidate that so it's not coming out twice. And then Amazon Prime, that is $7.45. And then what else do we have here? My car insurance went up. It's basically $168 now. And I think that is it. Yep. Oh, and I do need to pay a bill this month. So I'm going to put that in over here. Over here, I'm going to put this in. I'm going to put in Home Depot because I do need to pay that. And then I just need to check on... I said that I paid Firestone, which I did, but I like to double check everything because a lot of the stuff I have on all auto pay. So there's the calendar. Now we're going to jump to the week that I'm currently in, and I'm going to use these stickers. So we have Wednesday with me being back at work. All right, this was Tuesday. And I actually got some things done when I got back home. So TikTok live. Okay. So that happened. So this was Tuesday. And I did all the things, which is actually very shocking. And I was going to put like my personal priorities and then my to-do list at the bottom, but it just makes more sense to put it up here. So social media, filming, and writing. Those are my 3 priorities of the day. And then I need to check Firestone, and then I also need to check Home Depot. So that's Wednesday. Then we have just popping in the stickers for Thursday and Friday. I do not commit to doing dailies on the weekend unless I know for sure I'm going to be in my office. It just doesn't make the most sense for me. But that structure I definitely need Thursday through Friday. And then we'll see how the rest of the weekend goes. I also need to go to Burlington. I have a gift card for Burlington, so that's also on my list this week. And then as far as filming is a big goal, but I wanted to chop it down a little bit. So that's where the YouTube content comes in. So this is YouTube, TikTok, and then this is for my boyfriend's brand, the social media stuff. So I have my June planner set up. I got back later than I expected to when I made this list. And then I have one that I can squeeze in, which is my Juneteenth plan with me. I can probably squeeze that in today. And then the other one was my vacay memory plan with me. So whatever I end up getting done, cool, great. And then that is the basics of my June setup. I'm not jumping ahead too much. I just did my calendar in real time with you guys, and then anything else that I need to add in, of course I can. And then another thing I'm gonna start doing at the end of each day is checking off like this, okay, we're good. So I'm just gonna put a check box in each of the days so that I can like check off that that bill was paid or whatever, so I can double check. And then that is it. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I have some memory planning content coming up, and you'll be seeing more of my daily planner. And I'll also be explaining why I switched to a daily planner in a future video as well. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box for more information. If you're not subscribed, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button. I would love to chat with you guys more in the comments. And as always, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.